Hi everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to type bold text on Facebook on PC. So this is a very easy tutorial. So if you want to set or if you want to make these letters into bold, or if you're looking for how to type bold text on Facebook and PC, then I'm going to show you this method. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type bold text. And then here you will see different sites. But for me, I want to choose this capitalize my title. But everything is up to you. So as you can see here, bold text generator. And all you have to do is to simply type whatever phrase or words you want here, input it here, and then you will see the output. Now you can choose bold, bold italics. Everything is up to you. So let's just say, of course, we're looking for bold type. So let me tap at this bold right here. Go to output and then copy. Go back to your Facebook and then remove this and then right click and paste or control V. So this is what it looks like. This is how you type bold text on Facebook. You can go back and then select another type if you want, but this is what it looks like. Okay, so go back and then try another one and then copy and then paste it on your Facebook. Okay, so that's it. And after that, you can post this one. So that's how easy it is to type bold text on Facebook on PC. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.